AI isn't just something out of sci-fi movies, it's here, and it's already transforming the world around us. Let's explore some incredible ways artificial intelligence is impacting your daily life right now. First up, healthcare. AI is helping doctors detect diseases faster and more accurately. For example, AI-powered tools can analyze X-rays and MRIs to find signs of cancer that might be missed by the human eye. It's saving lives and giving doctors more time to focus on patients. Next, let's talk about shopping. Have you ever noticed how online stores seem to know exactly what you want? That's AI. It tracks your preferences and browsing habits to recommend products tailored just for you. Then there's transportation. Self-driving cars use AI to navigate roads, avoid accidents, and even optimize routes. It's the future of safer and more efficient travel. And in business, AI is streamlining customer service with chatbots that can answer questions 24/7. It's also automating tedious tasks, letting companies focus on innovation. But AI isn't just for big industries, it's for everyone. From voice assistants like Alexa and Siri to apps that help you edit photos, AI is making our lives easier, one task at a time. The AI revolution is more than just technology. It's changing how we live, work, and connect with the world. What's your favorite AI-powered tool? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more insights from Smart Spark.